Hello and welcome. I've got today to show you a prototype of a motorhome which can be used by wheelchair users. And this is a conversion which is being done by this company, Brecht Caravan. And let's have a look at some of the things which have been done. I need to point out it's a prototype and everything will be built to order. Obviously with a vehicle it's costing, base vehicle, you're looking at around 180,000. The changes will of course depend on requirements of the user. So this is the top of the range Bürstner. It comes in two forms, one with a queen bed and there's one with the German style bed layout at the rear. And but this one here has got the queen bed, so the basic layout, huge living area here, huge table here, which at the moment is in half. There you go, unless it's full, comes like that. And now the changes which have been made are, first of all, the following. Now it's in the washroom here, the bed at the back, and at the front we've got the table. So I think I'll start off with the front and make my way backwards. So this vehicle comes as standard with the bed above the driver and passenger seats, and it also has standard the wide door. Now the advantage of the wide door is that the wheelchair will actually go inside. How this will be will depend very much on the buyer. Now, as for example, this chair here could be removed. Under this chair we have a forward facing seat, so if there are people here traveling in it, that belted position under the chair may be needed. But if it's not needed, then the whole thing can come out. Alternatively, this table here will come out, and it comes out very easily, and as you can see here. Good. The bathroom has been configured for the wheelchair user. Now there is going to be a curtain to come here to sort of make this more private. That hasn't been put in yet. As I said, it's a prototype and this prototype is being built. We have the toilet here, and access to the toilet is relatively easy for the wheelchair user. There's the shower. Now as far as the shower is concerned, the idea is to put a chair in there so that the person can actually sit down. Also some supports to allow the person to actually grab onto something whilst getting into the shower. Here at the sink, now the sink can be lowered and it will go down to even here. I mean that's perfectly possible. Now one of the biggest changes though is going to be here at the back for the bed. Under this step, this is hollow, so that can be completely removed. The bed is quite high. With this vehicle there isn't the option of making the bed higher or lower. It's fixed in place, but the bed can be reduced in height to allow easier access. Access is obviously going to be from the front for the wheelchair user, but then sort of crawl to the back into bed. This would mean, of course, that there won't be 2 drawers in the bed, just 1, but that's the price to pay for the bed to be brought down in height. As you can see here, it's relatively easy to move around the vehicle in the wheelchair. Let's now have a look at the access. Now, a little bit extra work is going to be done here. One of the biggest difficulties, of course, is getting into the vehicle. There's 2 ways of doing it, either via a ramp or alternatively by using an electrically powered chair which lifts the wheelchair into the vehicle. That will add around 10,000 euros to the cost. Now, there's also, for example, here, currently you can have a ramp which fits onto there, but there are also other possibilities to do with the door to make it even easier to get in. That would involve getting rid of this step here. But as you can see, the door itself it's a wide door, and that's the standard door with this vehicle. The ramp can be stored here. There it is. So there's still a number of things which this vehicle needs to have, but it's going in the right direction. If you're a wheelchair user and you're interested in something like this, you'd like to have something like this configured, I'll leave you contact with the company below and they can see what they can do for you. Now, people always ask me about prices, but when it's been configured to order, I can't really say what the price is going to be. For the base vehicle, something like this, in its current condition, with the equipment that it's got here at the moment, you're looking at around 200,000 euros. So that's the beginning. But they do have also other vehicles here which have been configured for wheelchair users. There's a camper van, which I'll give you a link to. There's a caravan, which I'll give you a link to. So there's all sorts of possibilities for them. So if you'd like to know more, then please do contact the company or put your comments below and we'll have a look at them. For the moment, I'll show you how easy it is to move about the vehicle in a wheelchair. Thanks for watching.